Okay, let's get into it. Today, we're doing a deep dive on a site called RewardReviewers.com,
Hmm.
and they're making a huge claim, right? A $700 Target gift card just for, signing up and doing a few deals.
It sounds incredible.
It does. So for everyone listening, our mission here is to figure out if this is for real or if it's just, well, too good to be true.
And spoiler alert, based on all the analysis we've done, it does not look trustworthy. We really need to break down why, because the red flags here are, they're a masterclass in what to avoid.
Okay, so let's start with the basics then. Trust. How long has this site even existed? What did we find?
Well, this is the first thing that's really alarming. The website was only created in March of 2025.
Wow, so just a few months ago.
Exactly. It's brand new.
Oh.
And you have to ask, why would a company with zero history, zero reputation, be giving away that kind of money? It doesn't add up.
That's a huge red flag right out of the gate. And even if you get past that, the experience of actually using the site, it gets even weirder.
Oh, yeah.
I'm talking about that Claim Now button.
Right. So you click it, and you're expecting to, go to the next step of the survey.
But that's not what happens.
Not at all. The site just, it hijacks your browser. It redirects you to a completely different, totally unrelated website.
Which is so sketchy. There's no transparency there.
None. It's a classic bait and switch. They're not telling you where you're going or why.
So what's the point then? If you never get to the reward, what is the user actually doing in this endless maze of clicking?
We're calling it the zero outcome cycle. It's just designed to keep you clicking.
Okay.
You answer question after question, and it feels like you're making progress, but you're not. You never get confirmation, you never see a progress bar that means anything, and you definitely don't get a reward.
So you're just spending your time giving them ad revenue or data.
That's the goal. It's all about engagement for them, not fulfillment for you. You end up with absolutely nothing.
Let's talk about the site itself, the infrastructure. Even a simple, legitimate business has, like, a contact page, right? A privacy policy.
You'd think so.
Yeah.
But here, there's a complete vacuum of that information.
Crazy. Nothing.
No email address,
Yeah.
no contact form, and, maybe the most critical thing, no privacy policy page.
And they're collecting your data the whole time.
Exactly. A site that takes your information but won't tell you how to use it or how to reach them. I mean, that's a platform you have to avoid.
Okay, and the final piece of the puzzle, social proof. If people were really getting $700 gift cards, we'd hear about it. What are people saying online?
That's just it. They're not saying anything.
So no reviews.
We found 0 independent reviews. Nothing on Trustpilot.
Yeah.
No user feedback. No ratings. Just silence. And that silence is maybe the loudest warning sign of all.
So to wrap this all up for you listening, when you put it all together, a brand new site, these strange redirects, no actual reward, no contact info, and 0 outside reviews, the conclusion seems pretty clear.
Yeah, it's not a platform to be trusted. It's one to avoid. And this really brings up a final thought for you to take away. Whenever you see any online offer that promises a huge reward for simple tasks, just run it through this checklist.
The 5 signs.
5 signs. Ask
They're
yourself, how old is it? Is it transparent about what it's doing? Does it actually deliver? Can you get support? And what are other people saying about it? If it fails on those points, just walk away.